My name is Steffi Silvera and my position is Chief Operating Officer. In this new role, I get to oversee all the operations of the Hispanic Chamber. There are several programs, events, and overall resources that we're providing to the community. I'm very proud of the contributions and specifically the programs that are tailored for Hispanic entrepreneurs. The Hispanic Chamber Women's Business Center is a program that has been there since 2019. Through this program, we have been able to serve over 500 women entrepreneurs. These ladies that have a strong entrepreneurial spirit, they want to open or expand their businesses. And right now we're able to provide not only bilingual workshops, but also we give them the opportunity to do an elevator pitch, at the same time to develop their business plan and receive the mentoring that they need to have a successful business. I would like to extend an invitation to all the women who are dreaming of opening or expand their businesses, that we are providing several resources at the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce through the programs, and one of them is the Hispanic Chamber Women's Business Center. The program just won an award, the Empowering Women Award from the Journal Record. We are very proud, and this award reaffirms the work that we have been doing. It's making a real difference in the Hispanic community. It pushes us forward to help even more women in our community and to continue creating a support system and an environment for all women entrepreneurs to thrive. It is an honor to have been able to receive this award, and we're looking forward for all the good things that are coming for the program. Quiero agradecer a todas las mujeres que han sido parte del programa, decirles que este premio no es solo nuestro, sino de todas ellas. This is a message for all the business owners out there that are looking to grow their businesses, that are looking for networking opportunities and overall resources and more information. I will encourage all the business owners to join the Hispanic Chamber to benefit from all the events and programs that we are providing. And we're doing it bilingual, so there's no excuses anymore. If they would like to receive any information, they can contact us at 405-616-5031 or email us at info@okchispanicchamber.org. Follow us on social media or come visit us at 3321 Southwestern Avenue.